Now I want to show the demonstration how to create an assembly. First, you need to new the assembly file and then browse the first part. The first part I want to insert the Lego body first because that one is the fixed part, so you cannot move anywhere. And then you need to insert another components for the head, and then insert again for the arm, and then insert again for the leg length, and then insert again for the leg. So when you insert the first part you cannot move, but for the second, third, fourth and fifth you can move anywhere right now. So how can we assemble the components together? We will use the mate function to mate it. So you just use the mate to mate the face to that face. You can see when you mate these two faces together, you can see we have the concentric. The concentric is the same center, so we have got the alignment here. So how can we fix the head? You can fix it again for the face to face again, that one, and then go to that one. You can see it will go to the coincidence. Coincidence is I want to fix it together with that face fixed point. So you can see we fix the head right now. So when you fix the two components together, you need to fix two, because some of the students do not know why when I fix the head we select the face to face, that one, but we cannot fix it because that one is partially constrained. When you want to make the fully constrained here, you need to see that edge and then mate with that edge. You can see the coincidence and then click OK. That means you fully constrain the two components right now. So how can we fix that arm? We can use the mate, not face to face, to make the alignment. You can choose the edge to the edge here. You can see the coincidence, and then we can fix the arm using the coincidence. So how can you mirror the arm from your right hand side to your left hand side? You just choose the work plane, and then using Control in your keyboard to select the left hand, and then using the mirror component, because we have got the mirror component here. So you just click OK to finish it. And then when you mirror the component, you can see we build here. But I think the mirror work plane is not correct, because you can see that one is not correct, so I delete it. And then make sure the work plane is in the middle, so I use the right work plane to create another reference work plane for that midpoint, and then you just click OK to finish. So the work plane one should be in the middle of your body, and then you can use Control in your keyboard and then press the component here, and then using mirror component, and then just click OK to finish. And then you can see that one, you can use the mirror. So for that component, how can we made with the body? We can use edge to edge because the edge should be the same, so we can use edge to edge using coincidence, and then using edge to edge again. That edge, you can see you just take to finish it. So we fix it right now. And then the leg, we have got rotate the edge of the circle, and then the edge here, we can use the coincidence, and then you just using the edge here, and then not the face to face, so we need to rotate it again, mate, no selection of the mate, and then you select the edge of the leg, and then so you can see edge to edge when you go to the coincidence, not concentric. Concentric is the alignment of the assembly. So you can take OK to finish it. So you can see we can also use the mirror here to make it, but I'm not using the mirror because I have got another component for the leg, so I can use the mate again, and then go to the hidden line visible for this edge to the edge, and then take OK to finish. So you can see in your mate, we have got some of the mating here to fix the two components together. So you can see the arm, the leg here, and then when I want to make some of the direction for the leg, I can use face to face, face to that face, and then make it parallel. And then it cannot rotate right now because I make the parallel for the body, so you cannot rotate right now, but that one you can rotate it. That's all of my demonstration.